Hey, if you're a photographer, one of the things you do not want to have happen is that you run out of batteries when you're at a photo shoot or out there and you're about to get that perfect shot. I have the perfect solution for you. If you have any one of these cameras right here from Nikon, the Coolpix, this is a dual battery with charger that will make sure that you have multiple batteries and you won't miss out on that perfect shot. So it comes with two batteries here. This is the EON-EL14. It's a mini digital video battery. Comes with the charger with the dual charging ports. It has two different ways to charge it, with the USB-C or the micro USB port here as well. You can see it has this nice LED face here that shows the charging. You can plug it into a power bank to charge it. You can use a wall outlet, just a standard charger block to charge it. And you can even charge it right from your car. So if you're a photographer, if you have a camera and you don't want to run out of battery, I think having one of these chargers here for the batteries, this particular one here is from Pickle Power. I think it's a must.